I also want to mention to the media is that today this app which we are launching with a web-based app with Innovator, this is being launched in the US on Monday, so that to reduce the interface between uh, the patient and the doctor. So basically, he can do a self-assessment of himself. And also, this is something which is being launched in America on Monday, and this is something which we are subsequently trying to link to video conferencing and other things, so that conversation is going on. So this, I want from the media that this is made popular among the people so they can do a self-assessment, and then we'll figure it out. And then also what we are doing is 104 will be totally monitored by doctors. I've told Dean already that there should be only doctors attending to the call.
व्हॉट्सॲप चॅटबॉटाक लोकांचो बरो प्रतिसाद.
Chatbot is constantly getting upgraded, and based on what questions are being asked by the people, what is actually the type of questions coming, and I would like to share with you, which you should actually, which is very interesting. I'm just trying to get the figures. Basically, we have got overall, if you see here, we have when the day we started, and when we got an assessment in one day, there were virtually about 3,63,187 conversations happened with cohort 19 on March 19. This big jump from about 10,000 a day. At a peak, bot received 19 messages per second. 62% numbers from where this information was being asked for were Goan based, and it is being used across 15 countries. So people are downloading it across 15 countries. 20th March conversations that happened is 1,45,742 people, and conversations since launch is 5,18,920. There is according to Verloop, these are like insane numbers. Means what insane numbers means? So many people are using chatbot, and it is in English and it is in Konkani. And this is how we want to use innovation and technology basically to reach out to the Goans, so that the people in Goa are able to utilize this type of apps in order to get information about coronavirus. And this type of app which is there, which is for self-assessment, web-based app. This is also going to be available on we are trying to make it available so that on Android phones we can download it to the Play Store. So basically you can download it on your phone, and you can on your phone also do it, or you can use the link and move forward.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.